Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I'll be teaching you something very special. I just want to teach you some chord, worship chord you can use while playing some song. So I'll be using this popular song. When I remember what the Lord has done. I know it's a very popular song that you guys sing in church. So let me just do it on this song first. So it goes like this. When I remember what the Lord has done, I will never go back anymore. When I remember what the Lord has done, I will never go back anymore. No, 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 I say no, I will never go back anymore. No, 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 I say no, I will never go back anymore. So this is just some simple major chord I was playing there. Some simple major chord, just very simple, and this will be help for beginners in the house. I'm doing this tutorial for most especially the beginners in the house. So I'm playing on F sharp, but the key I'm on is on G, but I'm playing on F sharp, but I'll be calling out the notes I'm holding. So for those that is not familiar with F sharp, they can be able to apply it to their own key. So it goes this way. When I remember you are on your do. So this is how I hold my do here. So do mi so with my right hand. So do mi so. Then on my left hand, do so do. Do so do. Do so do. Do mi so. So you can see how it sounds nice, very nice. Once you apply this on F, it's still the same thing. You can see it on F. So it's still the same thing. So you go, when you're singing, when I remember. So that is just like a passing chord. Do tita. When I remember what the Lord. So that is a passing chord to your fa. Do tita. So this is how I hold my fa here. Fa la re fa with my right hand. Then I hold re with my left hand. I hold re, this lower octave re and this higher octave re with my left hand, while on my right hand, fa la re fa. So we go. When I remember what the Lord, you can see what the Lord has done. What the Lord has done, I will never. Let me take it slowly so you understand. I know you love this one. There you go. When I remember what the Lord has done, I will never. Guys, do, play this way. You your fa sol do, fa sol do. So this is just a very simple chord. I will never go back. You your ti re fa sol ti re fa sol ti re fa sol ti. Then you your sol so yeah. Go back anymore. You go back to your do back. Go back anymore. When then you can apply your la here now. For the second, you can apply your la. When I remember what the Lord has done, I will never go back anymore. Then you go to your mi so do na mi so do mi. Then you play your do so do. Do so do, mi so do mi. No, I say no. I will never. No. I say no. I will never go back anymore. I applied my me here. Risotto. It's a very simple chord you can just be applying as a beginner. No. I say no. I will never go back anymore. It's just so passing chord to your la. No. I say no. I never go back anymore. It's my God, yeah. God, yeah. It's my God, yeah. You want too much. It's my God, yeah. So what you just need to know is that once you want to play your do mi so. Then on your left hand, so any song you're playing, once you're on do, just hold this chord. Once you are on fa, just hold this one. Once you are on sol, you can hold something like this. Mi, la, zi. It's my God, yeah, oh, God, yeah. It's my God, yeah. You want too much. You can see any song I'm playing, the progression is going. So let me use. Iye banyere mo, oneme tu chim no bi. Iye banyere mo. Oneme tu chim no bio. Oke moji makagio. We me asisi mereme. Oke moji makamo. We me asisi mereme. Una ugo ije love mo. Una ugo ije love mo. Una ugo ije love more. You can use me ready. Una ugo ije love more. Una chio. You can see just very simple chord, very simple major chord. You can just be using to play your praise and your worship. You can even apply it in some Western worship. Daddy where the pamper, daddy where the bless. You can see, you can apply it even on your Western worship. Daddy where the pamper. See, very simple. I will pray, I will pray, I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. Yes. I will pray, I will pray, I will pray, oh. This is me, I was telling you. You can apply it in even your Western worship. So, there are very simple chords you can be using. And you should be sounding, if you are a beginner, you should sound as if you are a professional. Just, I will pray, I will pray. I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. So I hope you have learned something today. Any song you want me to do a breakdown on, just comment below. I'm going to try and do it. God bless you all. Please always like, comment, and share to support Jeromekeys music. God bless you.